Hello guys, welcome to the third part of the tutorial series. So in this video we are going to make a custom network manager. If you preview, there is a default network manager we were using. Now we need to create our custom network manager because there are many event callbacks that we need to use. So what I'm doing is that I need to remove it. So I create a new custom network manager. Okay. Okay, so now we need to create our custom network manager. Right now we were using the built-in network manager, which is pretty good, but for the if we want to add the custom things, which are surely we need to add, we need to create our own network manager. So just like our previous series, I need to import mirror. Okay. Now, since we don't have to create a network manager from scratch, rather we just make a child of network manager. Like I've just typed network manager. Okay, so I just need to remove it. So if I go to the inspector now, you will see I get another network manager, which is basically base class of the network manager. So you can see it's the custom network manager, but it's inheriting the network manager. So I need to import the main scene, which I say playground. Okay, and the lobby. Okay, just like that. So I just also need to go to network prefab and import my player prefab over here. Okay, here we go. So now if I run the game, if I start host, you said that it said that null reference. I think it's because it doesn't have any kind of transport, so I just add the transport. Okay, now I need to start the host. So now you can see it started. Okay, it started. Yeah, here we go. Now we need to add the callback. I just go here and type public override. Okay, so I was using the GitHub Copilot, and it just created another. It's saying kind of the error. I guess network connection. It's old network connection. What is saying? Let me check. It's connection. Oh, it's network connection to client. Okay, network connection to client. Okay, so here we go. So if I just over here, let me show you the assembly definition. You can see over here, uh, network manager, and if I type what was the function, it's on server add player, on server, why I can't find it, on server add player. Okay, now I go here, yeah, you can see the here's a function. Here we are creating a player for the game start, and this player got the connection ID. Now if I override it, you will see the player won't be spawned because we have overwritten the definition. Okay, see if I just start host, you say that no camera because there's no player spawned. So I can also do, I guess, piece dot on server add player and that connection. I can do this as well. If I do this, it's working. Okay, now I need to do uh, like I need to what I do now, I say print the player just entered the game. Okay. Also, I need to add another variable. We just say public override void on client disconnect. Okay, and I say print the client just left the game. Okay, now if I run the game, if I run the game, uh, you see the player just entered the game, and if I stop host, it says that the player just left the game. So this function will be called whenever a client just leave the game. So let me show you. Just build setting and build the game. So give me a while. mm, okay, let's put it. Okay, so now I need to run the game, and I just going to host the server. Okay, so I go to console, and I just go to my build, and I just spawn a new player. Okay, there you go. uh, yeah, see, it's saying that two audio listeners in the scene. It's just because there are two instances of the camera. But if I just go to the screen and I type entered, just say that player just entered the game, which is basically this player. Right now there are two audio listeners. I guess we should remove it. So we can achieve it by I'm go to the network player, which is basically network controller. And if it's not a local player, we also have to player cam dot get component audio listener dot enabled equal to false. So after doing it, we are not getting so many audio listeners, so it will help you manage our listeners. Okay, so here we go. Now if I just rebuild it, I don't think that we need to rebuild it uh, because this code is like client sided. So I just go here, and I just go to here and run the new client. Okay, see, I did not create a separate build because I don't think that I will need it. So if I just run to the game, you said that you see uh, uh, new player just into the game. Okay, so you see. Okay, now if this player leave the game, uh, there should be a callback. Sorry, this is okay. So it just because of this. Okay, now if I run the game again, uh, okay, if I run the game over again, and I just another game, and I just game this. Okay, why doesn't callback was running? We need this callback because when we are trying to manage the players, we need to create a callback for that. So I think that we should do is on client isnet, I need there is another callback public override void. I guess there are some another callbacks as well. Disconnection, like this connection related on server disconnect on client disconnect, on like say player on player why this was not working. This on server disconnect, and I say connection to the server was lost. Okay, so if the server disconnect, we will just get another pop-up. The connection for the server was lost. Okay, there was some kind of the glitch. It should show you that the player leave, but it's okay. We will create a manual system. So I think that it's fine. So I'm going to stop this video. I hope that you learned it, and see you next time. Thanks.